A Cybertruck tire ripped off from the rim while driving at the freeway. Luckily, the owner was able to stop the truck on time and no injuries reported. We're yet not clear if this was due to flat tire or the cast aluminum rims broke from the wheel during the night. We also suspect it could be due to a flat tire, and if you keep driving with a flat tire, it shreds the sidewalls until eventually there is no sidewall left, and the tread rolls off the side. Driving on the flat until you get to an exit risks this, but the risks of trying to change a flat on the freeway make it worth the risk most times. You could see an object fly over the camera in the upper right corner just before the tire commits suicide. We think the object is the wheel cover. They poke into the sidewall of the tire. If the cast aluminum rims were broken, this would need an investigation, as this would be another case of reported broken rims.